Hey guys, good morning, afternoon, night, wherever you are. Once again, this is Victor. I'm doing this presentation as a follow-up to the previous video I did. I found out that I left out something. Um I happened to discover that some of you guys are not making enough sales because you probably exhausted your contact list. Okay. And then one thing you need to understand about marketing is it's not all about the people that you know. Yeah, the people you know would buy from you. A few of them will buy from you. But what happens when you exhaust your friend list and they are no longer buying? Okay? What happens when your friends have bought shoes and they don't need to buy any more shoe? What you need to do right now is to advertise your business. All right, you're going to spend some money, but when you spend this money, you make money back. Now, I promised I was going to do a video on Instagram marketing, but for some reasons, Instagram has disabled my account. So I'm still working on creating a new account. I'll probably just use my colleague's account to do the video so that you can understand. But in the meantime, we want to do Facebook ads and we want to use the messaging objective. Now, the thing about Facebook people is that they don't like to do pay before delivery. And that's why I keep on stressing Instagram. Facebook people, they like pay on delivery. So that shouldn't be a problem. What you can do is this, it's simple. When you run your ads and the customer sends you a message, you confirm the order. Be double sure. If you can tell the person to make a commitment of maybe 2,000 naira for delivery fee. Once he does that, you know he's serious. But if he doesn't do that, no wahala. You just need to send him the picture of the shoe and tell him this is the shoe you ordered, and he should confirm he's going to be available. But in this case, what you're going to do is that you're going to have to pay for the shoe with your money. All right, you're gonna have to pay for the shoe. That's what I did when I started in 2021. I'll pay for the shoe with my money, and because I know I'm currently running ads for that shoe, so even if the deal goes bad, I will still sell the shoe because I'm running ads for the shoe. So like this thing, it works when you are promoting a particular kind of shoe. All right, so there's no loss if you sell retail. I've told you guys most of the shoes that you're getting for 10k, you can sell 15, 16, 5 and do free delivery. You understand? You'll be making at least 3,500 to 4,000 naira profit. Okay, so with that being clear, let's get right straight into this. So the first thing you want to do, I already did a video where I showed you how to create the page. Okay, it is very simple. If you don't know how to create a page, just go to my YouTube and you see the video there, how to create a Facebook page. All right, so this is my Facebook page right now, and I want to run an ad for a shoe, right? Let's see. I have posted. We're going to use a WhatsApp chat objective. So if you haven't connected your WhatsApp to your WhatsApp business to your page, the first thing to do is to go to settings, because we want people to chat us up on WhatsApp, alright? So the first thing you need to do is to come in settings and then you click on WhatsApp, and then it says this is where you connect it. So you see I already have this number connected. Okay, so when you come in, if you don't have a number, make sure it's WhatsApp business. You have to put the number here and click on connect, and then they will send the code on WhatsApp. You enter the code so that you can connect it. All right, so once that is done, we're going to go back now to the page, and let's go back to the page one. So we're going to go back to the page one and create a post. Okay, now Let me see pictures I have on my hard drive. Select picture of the shoe we want to sell. Okay, but and I have to tell you that if you're selling a designer shoe, don't write, if it's a Nike shoe, don't write Nike sneakers. You understand? Because Facebook will ban your account. So most times for this strategy, I prefer to use unbranded shoes. I prefer to use like unbranded shoes. Let's try this All Star. Just select the pictures, okay? Like, what I mean, unbranded shoes, like this one, the name of the shoe is not obvious. But branded shoes like Nike that they will not write Nike. You have to be very, very careful. Even if you try to promote the shoe, you don't write Nike on it so that they won't ban it. So now that we've uploaded the picture, the next thing you want to do is to write the text, okay? So usually I just want sneakers from 95 um, 12,000 plus 3 um, and, um, okay. To get an amazing sticker for 9,005 instead of 12,000. So this is kind of like telling them you're giving them a discount. They're supposed to get it for 12k, but they're getting it for 9k plus free delivery. And if you want to take it a bit further, you can add free socks. I mean, socks is just 200 naira or something. If you want to take it a bit further, because Nigerians like free. So when you see this thing free, jump on it. When you place an order today, available. This is what they call is it direct selling. We don't want any long story. We just want them to hit on this thing and come and order inside. 41 to 46. Color black and white. So payment on delivery only Lagos. If you leave Lagos State, the 15. Now this is assuming that you're running this ad to people in Lagos, because most times when I'm doing pay on delivery, I just target people in Lagos, okay, so that I can have control. So you can do this. You can target people in your area. Yeah, you can target people in your area and you let them know that okay, the delivery is going to take between 48 to 72 hours for for their location. You understand? Okay, so this is basically then you now come and say add to your post. You want to add this WhatsApp to your post. Okay, so that when they click through, they will you get a message on WhatsApp. So you see post. Okay, so posted the shoe here. Okay. So once you've posted that, there are two ways to promote this shoe now. Let me make it easy for you. Assuming you're using you can either use the ad manager or you can use this, but now assuming you're using your phone, I want to make it seem very easy for you. So you're using your phone, you just simply come here and say boost, okay, to start you get more messages. So when you click on boost now, it brings you here. right? And it says your goal. What results will you like from this ad? Let Facebook select the most relevant goal. Change it. And you want people to message you, okay? And that messaging translates to sales, right? So you say I don't have an Instagram account connected, so let me say we want them to chat us up on WhatsApp, right? It's selected. Don't select this messaging. Use WhatsApp. I want them to come to your WhatsApp. So this is the ads. You can see what it looks like. This is the ads. How it's going to come out. So we want to see smart audience. We don't want smart audience. We want to select our own audience, right? It says create new audience. Usually for this kind of shoes, let's say all stars give it a name. Usually for this kind of shoe, I'm going to target men and I'm going to target people from ages 30 because I like to sell to mature people. Most times when I use age range, you can do 25, okay? But most times when I get this age range from 30, they are mature people, working class people. So I want to change my location now. Depends on your location. I mean, I'm choosing Lagos because I'm in Lagos. This can also work if I'm not in Lagos, but just that I'm going to link you up with delivery companies that you can use so that once you order for the shoe and you get an order and you pay for the shoe, you can use the delivery company's shoe, to do your pickup. And when they deliver the item, they collect your money for you and transfer it to you. So detail targeting, look, targeting depends on the kind of shoes that you're selling. Sometimes I can just do just from 30 years and above. I will not put any interest, right? But let's see, we'll use Converse. That's a Converse shoes, right? Converse shoe company. So that we're targeting the people that are interested in this shoe already. Because that's the brand you get. So sometimes I might just leave this, or I might just say sneaker footwear, sneaker addict, sneakers magazine. Okay, if you are interested in sneakers, add this. Facebook will even give you suggestions, right? So once you're done with that, okay, it says save the audience. So once you save the audience, as the major part, the audience determines who sees your ad, and you need to get it right. Okay, so 7 days you want to run for 7 days, you want to run for 10 days. You select the amount of days you want to run. There's no money in this account, and then you select. I said 10 days. You select the amount you want to spend per day. Let's say you're spending 1,000 per day. That's 10,000 naira. You need to understand that the more money you spend, the more you reach people faster. Someone that is spending 1K per day and someone that is spending 5K per day, the person that is spending 5K per day will get faster results. If your targeting and everything is done right, that person is going to get faster results. So once this is done now, look at once this is done, this whole thing is done. The next thing you're going to do now is to say boost now. Okay, when you click on boost now, it will now tell you to pay. Don't use this card, don't use debit or credit card. Use this Naira MasterCard to pay so that it's because you're having a limit now on dollar card. So use this option to pay. Just click on add funds and then it will take you to the place where you have to add funds. So I mean, this is basically it. You just continue here, enter your card details. Yeah, you enter your card details, GEM, MasterCard or Visa card. You see, once you do that, you pay for the ads and then it starts running. And once it starts running, you start getting messages on WhatsApp. I hope you put this into practice. I wish you very best of this business. Remember, if you do nothing, nothing will happen. Okay? Alright, so this is just it. I'm not going to put my card details. So you just put your card details here and that is it.